Today's recipe, okra fry in Bangladesh, Dherosh vaji. Let's chop the veggies first. Half onion, one green chili, 250-gram okra, one potato, in a pan, add 1 tablespoon oil. When the pan is heated high, add onion and green chili. While the onion is softened, add chopped okra. Chopped potato. Mix well. After frying for 6 to 7 minutes, put the lid on and adjust the heat, high to medium. After 5 to 6 minutes, add salt to taste. After 10 minutes, while the potato is cooked, turn off the heat. Cooking is done. Enjoy with rice, or roti, or parasa.